I'm Damon Zimmer, Strategic Account Manager for INS, focused on strategic accounts for Verizon. I've been with the company 21 years and excited to be here today. INS was engaged to work with a large pharmaceutical company that was having their POTS lines phased out by an alternate carrier. For those that don't know, POTS lines essentially is plain old telephone lines, so pretty straightforward. They're copper lines. They're typically hardwired into the MDF or the telco room. And the POTS solution that we bring to the table delivers the ability to continue to support those POTS lines leveraging wireless networks. So this customer really was having financial pressures with the pricing of the POTS lines going up and up from the alternate carrier. As those pressures to remove POTS lines from the alternate carrier continue to rise, they really looked at INS to come up with a solution to maintain those POTS lines. And really the POTS lines that are most appropriate for their business case are elevator lines, which are critical, mission critical essentially for their business operations from a safety standpoint. They have to use those elevators to transport people and products. Keeping those elevators up and running, the alarms for their operations, security alarms, and then faxes to communicate with their customers. So essentially these POTS lines are mission critical for their operations, and really turning to INS to bring in a solution to continue to support those POTS lines was really critical for us, being able to build a relationship with the customer and bring the appropriate solution to the table to continue to support those POTS lines and keep their operations up and running. As we continued to deploy this POTS solution for the large pharmaceutical company, we ran into some challenges out of the gates. And the one thing that I've really appreciated working for INS is our ability to make it right for the customer. If they're not satisfied, we're not satisfied. And we took measures to stabilize the solution and took the necessary steps to get it up and operational. There are lots of companies out there that can support 1, 2, or 3 POTS lines in a particular location. One of the things I think that really stands out for INS is the ability to support well over 100 POTS lines in any location like we did with this particular customer. So we were able to assess, survey, and install and get them up and running. In some cases, nearly 200 POTS lines in one location. So if you're looking for the experience and the savvy to support something like that, INS is a great fit for that particular use case.